Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom. And today in this session we will understand container size, okay? Container size, container tier weight, container capacities of the stuffing volume. Okay, so we will try to understand in this session all the things. So guys, let's start the session. The physical view of the container you can see on the screen. The mostly container used in the export trade are the 20 feet containers and 40 feet and the 40 feet high Q containers. Okay, so the 20 feet is the length of the container. Okay, this is the length. So we can say the container is identified by the length. Okay, so you can see this is the length from starting to end. Okay, so let's see, this is the 20 feet containers length and this is the 10 feet container length and this is the 40 feet container length. So in 40 you may also found the 40 high Q, 40 standard and 40 high Q. So these are the length. Okay, so you have many time heard about the 20 feet container, 40 feet container. So this is container is identified by the length of this container. Okay, now we will understand some more about the container. Okay, so you can see on the screen the 20 feet container dimensions. Okay, so if we talk about feet, then this size is the 20 feet length and this is backside the gate. Okay, this is the gate and this is the close side of the, we can say, the glass size of a container. Here 8 feet is the length. Okay, and the height of the container is 7.5. okay, so we can say that the height of container is 7.5 and this is also the 7.5. okay, so width and height is the 7.6 feet and the length of container is 20 feet container. Okay, and we can say this is the internal floor 150 square feet. Okay, and the weight of this empty container is a 2.44 metric ton. Okay, so we have understand in this session the size of container in which we have considered the length, height and width. Now in the next session there is a table. By this table we will try to understand some more thing. Okay, so we will talk about the 40 feet containers, 20 feet container first. Okay, so this is the 20 feet container. Okay, 20 feet containers and again 20 dimension. We will understand this first. So you can see on the screen the 20 feet container is the outside length is 20 feet. Okay, outside height is 8 feet and outside width is 8 feet. Okay, internal length is 19 feet. Okay, and the internal height is 7 feet. Internal width is the 7 feet. Okay, and door width is 7 feet. Okay, because that the opposite side dimension is the same, we can say. Okay, and the cubic capacity is 33.2 metric ton. And now the maximum weight capacities. This is the maximum weight capacities mentioned here. You can stuff in 20 feet container maximum 30 metric ton only. Okay, and the empty container weight is 2 metric ton. Okay. kg, okay, and 30,000 kg you can stuff. So this is the maximum. Now we will discuss about the 40 high Q container. 40 is standard container, okay. This was the 20 feet container. So this is a 40 container with the dimensions. Okay, so outside length is 40 feet, okay. Then outside height is 8 feet, outside width is 8 feet, and internal total length is 39 feet, okay. And the internal height is 7, and again internal width is 7. So this is the opposite direction, so 7 7 7, these three are the same. Now internal door is 7 feet again, and door height is 7 feet again. Now cubic capacities of the 40 feet is 67. Okay, then maximum weight to be stuffed in the 40 feet container is the 30 metric ton. Okay, and the tare weight is the 3.4 metric tons. Okay, you can see in the screen. And the last one is the IQ container. Okay, so the 40 feet height is the same in 40 standard and IQ. Sorry, length is the same in the 40 standard and IQ. Okay, then the height increased. It was the 40 feet was the 8 feet, and this is a 9 feet container. Okay, so you can understand basic difference between standard IQ is height. Okay, this is the 9 feet and this is the 8 feet. Okay, external outside width is the 8 feet. Okay, and we also have a internal length is 39 feet, the total length, and 8 feet is the internal height, 7 feet is the internal width. Okay, and door with 7, okay, because the opposite direction. Height door is 8, and finally cubic is 76. Now maximum gross weight can be loaded in this container is 30 metric ton, and the tier weight of this container means the empty container weight is the 3.66 metric ton. Okay, so by this diagram we have tried to understand about the 20 feet and 40 feet and 40 feet container. So the 20 feet container is height is 8 feet, and the 40 feet container standard container is also height is 8 feet, but in 40 feet high cube container height is 9 feet. So this thing need to keep in mind if any interview or anybody asks that what is difference between 40 IQ and standard. So you can say that height, only the height is different. In that 40 standard is 8 feet and IQ is a 9 feet. Okay, and also you can inform that empty container of the 40 feet is a 3.6 metric ton, and capacity is 30 metric ton. Okay, 30 metric ton cargo can be stuck in the 40 feet container. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand some details regarding the container size. Okay, so you may take the screenshot of this screen and use this for checkout in future purpose. So guys, we are going to end this session here. Okay, so I hope you have learned some knowledge from this session. Thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.